Java.lang is a package. Mm, There are many, as you already know, that there are many packages in Java. So one of the package, very important packages, Java.lang. It is automatically important in all the programs, as you already know. It contains several classes and interfaces, and it is a most widely used package in the Java programming language. So Java.lang includes the following classes. Some of the classes are Boolean inheritance, local, runtime system, byte interior, runtime permission, fake character, long, security manager. These are the examples and sample classes that are included in our Java package. I think you already know about the package. Package is a collection of classes. It is like a content. It includes a number of classes that all belongs to the particular package. The Java.lang is a package and it is a very important package in our Java programming package. So it includes several classes and interfaces. Interface does not implement any method. Class is going to implement the interface. Right? Coming to these are the classes under Java.lang. That is thread local, class loader, number. So as you already know that some of the editors, Java editors or Java supports these type of class like first word should start with a capital letter. Thread is one word and local is another word. So each word should start with a capital letter and there should not be any space between these words. That is a name of class. Name of class means every word should start with a capital letter. Okay? Thread local, class loader, number, stack trace element, throwable, compiler object, strict math, void, double, package, string, even, process, string buffer, float, process builder, string builder. These are our classes, related classes to Java.lang. It also supports some of the interfaces. Some of the interfaces and important interfaces under Java.lang is appendable, comparable, runnable, char sequence, iterable, clonable, readable. These are our important interfaces under Java.lang. Okay, some of the classes that are contained in Java.lang here. So these classes may contain some methods. One of the sample method is member. Member is as you already know that member is first page is in second page. In second page there is a member class member. So description about the member is it includes some of the basic data types that is byte, short, int, long, float, and it also has some of the methods. Some of the methods are byte value, double value, float value. These all are important methods under the class number. Number is a class under Java.lang package. Package is nothing but collection of classes and interfaces. It is like a container. It contains some classes and interfaces. These all are interfaces and classes that are related to the Java.lang package. Package is a container of classes and interfaces related to the particular package. Okay. There are some of the sub packages under the Java.lang package. Some of the sub packages are java.lang.annotation, java.lang.instrument, java.lang.management, java.lang.refer, java.lang.refer. These are some of the sub packages under the java.lang package. Hope you all understood about these java.lang packages. The only important thing under these Java.lang packages, you have to learn about the classes and interfaces. There is a description about all the interfaces and all the classes related to this Java.lang. So you have to learn about the description also. Okay. Hope you all understood about this topic. The next topic is collections.